Ensi ya Kenya anenekero turoche chiskuru imeyensi ya Kenya nigo chigenderete gusieka asomutimuko bwerusa ya masomo ase tamwintangani korengana ne kalenda ya masomo nechinga kimuraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agenderete ne taro yaye imeyensi ya Ghana asenchire moyoko enekia buna ukobwatira nagatie CHINSA chibere kwabere gokorokana edio koreta amagendro anene ase orogonko rwa Africa na no moisomo neno bere gokobaguchi ase kiama kia United Democratic Alliance gekora wanumuraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase governor we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza abeire kagoswa bene ase kiame kyo korende cyaragire CHINSA isano nebere cyabona mubaso cinga kingo kwarigania SMS AMAYIA irion kumanyunda nara yaya na kwarigarira mubasorero asenchera ere yobwenge nyarabuna sensemo ya Facebook nabo kugendera gotonyora aswetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyarwetera Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ito nabo kugendera gotobwatia wetera www.ndizitv.net iriyo togendere kusanga subwamo. Ereteriane EVERLYNE OSERO ria tukubwatira na senseme imanyiriryo nigakuru kwa LYDIA MOSE na baigo Felicitas KABENDI nero koine kiabuna chibichanerio gicha wikeire asenche yabene ngo kwariganio be ko gusanga 90 komerio AMAYIA CHINSA isano na bira senche yobenge toko ya chaka senche yabene kurwa se county ya Kisii abwase abaremi be chingeni ime county ya Kisii anene kurwa se bungi ya bumachoge burabu na baigo bumachoge chache abagendrete konyora obosemia igoro yokorenda chingeni erio konyora ligesari nene nabo igogo chia konia chingeni echo ase chiro ya isko imense ya Kenya nigabe bwatani au korwa senseme yobulimi we chingeni babiri bawikirana CHINSA mecho asbagendrete gusegeta abantu kwene kyabunangwe so kyabare na gusimeka chingeni asubunke.
This is a 3.3 years and 5 months project that will be implemented in this county, and majorly this is a research for development project, and with the main goal of increasing productivity and also coming up with interventions, technologies, innovation and management practices towards reduction of these losses, and also enhancing the market access for the African indigenous vegetable, and subsequently also capacity building of the farmers and various value chain actors, because we are looking at array of actors along the value chain, from the soil, the production bit, to marketing and consumption.
Huu mradi utainua kilimo cha mboga asilia ili wakulima wetu waweze kufaidika kwa kupata pesa, chakula na pia waweze kujiajiri mashambani.
Nokuboria nigo kogenderete kurwego gochiase abaibori koba maiso ne chimbwa na boigo chitaro chiabana babo chingaki basie kire chiskuru na kogenda ingase omutimoko bwa masomo ukona negeta seni kia Ndizi TV mambia rero morokyo munene bwe skuru yaba murayo boroso aboigo na junior secondary St Andrew Kawa Nyansiongo apita mumanyi nyamweya nigo boigo agania abagambi na boigo abobisaba nyumba 10 kwene kyabunango bwatira na bale na baibori asogotoria abana korwase obosaria nabo igo obotumeki bwebinyugwa byogotindia nigo chingakie chabaga kuboria abaibori ko basira abana babo asechisemi anena sukubagorera ebinto birya biganeirie akobana mbonoko bachinga kinyororo cyo gwikirania amasoma bo nigo boiga boririe abana kobeka umukya nakoirali bagerigali umutimoko ase ogoikirania ose aso kwegendereria ase amasomo.
Asa Marieta ankoro kwa mwalimu Peter Momanyi Nyamweya iwondo mwalimu manebe school ya St Andrew Kawa Boys Boarding Primary School and Junior School Nyansiongo ongo chosegeta abibuli banyareko kolenda abana babo asinga kejiga chintambe abana banyareko awigas bagokora abitabumbira birukunga homework all the assignments abibuli banyareko bagorora babaye ndeli banyala kolega siyo egokaba the entire period. Again to kende abaibori toje kubatabin keringa abana banjete sana kurigeria TV ebipindi mbiro ebironge bararigirerie igo na no bwana to imanyanga bipindi ki obaregulate anegento kende nonya na administration one ruse yiga aba chief na abaturete na bande waze wa mjikumi na barabuo babe macho sana sokoranga bana mbare na tobuata talibonsi pimbale bakoko jakwanya nga basukire nsemo bachire none se weso ya se binyuwa igo na bagambi banya kurigeria baganya bana nabo banya kubarusio babayeria baibori banya kubarusio banya kuba beka chinginjo chindongo bana tokoba ba bayeria bali bago tan mono no babako rangaria baibori banya ko sangamo enderio bana banya ko korongiana na baigo bintompiro bibe biyo kole kana se chirusa gra bana batigire furi mono igo muburi kwa rangirirwe kumanyanga no manyete so mwana wa gotoka kera chinga n'abanafunzi na inu twaba bodiri munyare ko kebiranga libeino ebinge binene ase amasomo omwebuli ne banga tayo ko ba free utari ko kende yons omwebuli kara tayo na aya ko irenga kiye tware timetable yawe ya personal umatenga CHINSA baka bono kujagara bono maambia yonkoriga asianyu
omonene bwaba waziri oyoboigo ore mu waziri wa mangana ya CHINSA Chescom Salia Mudavadi ngabeteka gwikirana ase egeikaro ya kabere kyababwatani bekeombe kyobomo igoro yogo kwanera ayo kubwatirana hagati y'ense ya Kenya na boigo ense ya Ghana gukwana Mudavadi nigabete kagota na Kenya nigegenderete kwerwa ase okugareya obwamate ase sector au na boigo kubwatirana na nense ya Ghana ase owekini anene gukinya uchumi agati ye CHINSA chiga nechingaki boigo omo waziri wa mwana CHINSA Chesco imeya Ghana Shali Ayokol neraberega kugokera egetambukiro gyo kubwatirana hagati ya Kenya na boigo Ghana asoko enekya bunango ikinya bare asibalire ira yogo kya kubeka umukyabwo kubwatirana ase chi sector au
Kenya and Ghana enjoy cordial relations which can be traced back to the pre-independence struggle period that was characterized by the struggle for self-rule and independence, when respective liberation movements drew inspiration from one another within the spirit of Pan-Africanism. And
engagement such as this is indicative of our respective countries' joint commitment to strengthen bilateral relations through dialogue and the sharing of expertise and knowledge in the different areas of endeavor. I acknowledge the bond of friendship that happily exists between Ghana and Kenya, dating back to our first president, Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and President Jomo Kenyatta, both of blessed memory. The two great leaders have been described by historians as anti-colonialists, pan-Africanists, and drivers of unity in the history of Africa, whose paths crossed at Manchester in 1945 during the planning of the 5th Pan-African Congress. And despite their individual ideological differences, they were united in the quest to liberate their respective countries and the rest of Africa from colonial rule.
Mwanchumuriri ya nechinga kyomurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto abeteka gwikirana imensi ya Ghana abwori tkuregoro mogoroba asetaro yaye yamatuko atato asekirenge kenene no gukwanire mangana yogo kinya uchumi egatie CHINSA chibere anenasi barengete kumurekera ensemo yobosombi obonchoreria na boigo ensemo yoboreminigo Ruto gokose gukwana ime yenseyo Ruto nigatare imensi ya Kenya yabereke waka egetamkire kenene sensemo ya magendero ase atebiruna nigo barengete kurusia ebitango byonsi ebyo bikwera na magega amagendero anene imeyense ya Kenya nigaterebuna Kenya yabere kubaso mustari mutu anene ase kikobe kyorokerere gucyasa bwatani kurwase CHINSA chinde ase boigo aterena we kabagendere kubeka umukyabo kwene kyabuna babeire baguskabosyo nigo boigo abere kako yikere gose komocha bali bagukwana bobe igoro ye chitaro cyaye ase CHINSA Chesco na wateba chitare cyo nigo kibwate obuya bwaye imeyense ya Kenya.
We are shedding off fat, we are removing largesse, we are eliminating wastage, making sure that we live within our means. And the signs are already there in Kenya. We have built a very good profile over the last year and a half globally. Many people now have confidence in Kenya. If you look at our stock exchange, it is the top performing stock exchange in Africa today. Because people today, investors globally, believe in Kenya. You know, many people were asking me, why have you gone to France? Why did you go here? Why did you go here? Why did you go here? I am the chief diplomat of Kenya. You know? That's what it is. You know, that's the job I have, right? And so we need to showcase what we are made of, you know? And people believe what they see, what they hear, what they feel. And that's why today, JB Morgan's, BlackRock of US, many other investors today believe in Kenya. That's why they're investing in our stock exchange, they're investing in many other spaces in our country. The biggest asset we have as a nation is our human capital.
Namagoko maneno bairu gukoinekiwa asaba bwatani kurwase kiama kia United Democratic Alliance magega yomu governor bwe county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza ogosoa ase kiame kyo Kawira nigabirega kwariga nigabene nomurikyo munene ase kiama Cleophas Malala ase mochie o Nairobi Kawira nigabire gakoba mugavana bwe county ya Meru kuruchinga kiabete gako nyorera obobuyi o Bochorbu mwaka w'ichi 2022 akare omuraintenenera gosekorwa se independent nabona nigo soirebene ase kiama kia UDA asaganirie abarayi korwa se kiama kyo kogochamo na kubwatirana aso gokorera abananchi amagendero nigateru na chisegi tichigo chigokonya kende yonsi kurende okubwatirana na kubekumukia bwokoreta amagendero imeyense ya Kenya anene imeye county ya Meru ase alireira yogochia goterera bokongo nababwatani korwa se kiama kyo kia UDA.
Kwa marafiki wetu ambao wako nyumbani, MCS ambao hawajafika siku ya leo, especially wale wa UDA, mimi kama mama kiongozi nataka kusema ya kwamba naomba tufanye kazi kwa pamoja. Viongozi wengine wote members of county assembly ambao wameingia kwa bus, wengine wako kwa Jubilee, wengine wako parties mbalimbali, kama mama kiongozi kwa unyenyekevu naomba tufanye kazi kwa pamoja. Kwa MPs wetu wote, najua Meru MPs wengi ni wa UDA na pia viongozi wengine kama kina CS wetu ni wa UDA na viongozi wote. Mimi kama mama naomba tena tufanye kazi kwa pamoja. Vita haisaidii hata kidogo. For the benefit of Meru County, na ili Meru yetu iendelee mbele, vita itasaidia. Mimi nimefungua milango na mlango wangu na kusema ya kwamba njoni tusemesane, tufanye kazi kwa pamoja, tuinue Meru yetu, tupeleke Meru mbele.
Nyirabano Malala nigaterebu na Kawira nigarachkurwanire kirogo kyo governor se county yo ya Meru asentunda yendo mwaka w'ichi 2022 na isano wetera ase kiama kia UDA asaganirie ogosirwa kwa bene togutikana nayo nigo ekamati yebunge ye Senate yaganire abateneneri korwa se company ye Chinyeke National Cereal and Produce Board koimukirwa ege tambokero kyerijiko na gokorerwa obunenkia na boigo obotuki kubwatkana no bwoyo obutali obwekirano bwabere bokubwato kwa wochiase abaremi asinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya eyemagega yabariki kumurekera enganeye asabaremi babere bakwe murunganiria okugora amoyo gosebirengo bya moyo ebyo bitali ebikirano ibabere bakugura kurwase chiduga au anene amona boigo chi company echo chire echi serikali.
National Cereals and Produce Board Chair NCPB must be called out because when they approve the sale of such what we have seen, like Mavuno, like the one that we have seen, they are being labeled organic fertilizer. But now they are saying it is soil booster. So they are confusing farmers much more, Chair. And therefore it is very unfortunate that they, and in fact the NCPP also must tell us what is their role. Because if they are selling a product that is not well approved, or a product that does not have confidence of farmers, then NCPP must also be held culpable in this subsidy program of fertilizer.
If the government appears not to be in control over the things that are happening about and upon the citizens, then we have a bigger problem. If this thing has been going on for almost 2 years, and government institutions, government agencies are also involved, what are we saying? Kenyans are not safe. Chair, I repeat, Kenyans are not safe.
Serikali ya Kenya Kwanza hapo mwanzo iliona ni vizuri kuangalia kilio ya mkulima na ikasaidia. Mambo ya ajabu ni wale walipatiwa kazi, ikawa hizi kampuni zimetanjwa hapa, anja yao wamepanga vile wanajitanjirisha, lakini kujitanjirisha wamejitanjirisha na njia ile haifai. Serikali tupe nguvu na security, ndio tukiona pale kama serikali
Muwaziri w'abakoreri wa serikali Moses Kuria nigo aganirie abagavana korwa Sech County chonsi mensi ya Kenya kwerekea buna ngobe kabare omukia na kubakana abanyagetari b'Ech County eri kugayana umuchando bw'umugiro bw'emirimo bw'abanyagetari hojogendera CHINSA au imeyensi ya Kenya ukona chinga kiecho Kuria nigatere buna abawaziri korwa serikali nigo bagocha kurigereria enganeyo na kwerekea buna abanyagetari abakorwa obukoreri ase nyagitari cha serikali babeire bawakanwa chibesa cyabo iri kwirana ase emirimo yani gagocha chinga cy'umugiro yo bw'abanyagetari nse yekyombe ya Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union KMPDU babere bagoswa umugiro bo bw'emirimo ase lya swalitko lyemeronkebere nerimo asibo igabo bisabo bochenu gose clinical officers na barabo baswalitko lyabo lyakane asumugiro askere bagatandatu bari kwirana omirimo ogwikamagani yabo abeire kago tegererwa nonyana nigo ikambero kyaberege komenta amatukane igatie CHINSA wizara yobochenu nabo igo ikyombe ky'abanyagetari ase oko ikera oko iwana kubatkana n'ikingwani kibagenderete gukora yokoene kyabo nababeire bako ikiranirwa amagani yabo nakoirana asobokoreri.
Tuko na shida ya mgomo ya madaktari, na hiyo shida koti iliamulisha mawaziri kadhaa nikiwemo tukae chini na madaktari na tuongee, na kesho tunarudi kotini, na mimi niko na imani ya kwamba tutapata suluhisho katika kwa hii shida ya madaktari. Ile ningetaka kuomba ma MCA ambao mko hapa, kila mtu abebe msalaba yake. Mimi nitabeba ya wale madaktari wa Kenyatta na wale wa Moi Rifaro na wale wa KU.
Mwanchi umuriri wana yunegatiari na kwariganiretie asemese AMAYIA CHINSA ISANO nebira senchira ere yobwinge korinde amange na ndiro nchikonyora senchira yobwinge kero chirarage CHINSA ikomito basawoskare endra kubatemiro birionsi ya Ndizi TV na buo obwansu buo mugusi ya sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetira Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ito na bako yasomo wetira www.ndizitv.net eriyo togendre gusanga asobwa mwiritriane EVERLYNE OSERO LYDIA mosenere twabotera na sensemo yebimanyererio naboigo Felistas KABENDI nero inekyabuna chibicha neryo gichyago ikeire asenchire yabene twara ubuligereri buro byasemiro bireko bwatya naboigo umubaso oromotoerero.